So, as I pointed out before, this is our rethresher for the X9 combines. We're standing on the left side of the combine rather than the right, so a big difference from S series. This whole rethresher system is now on the left. Similar concept in how it works, just built for higher capacity, the higher crop throughputs that we're used to with X9 combines. Anything you want to add?
Yeah, the rethresher on these is very similar to the design that we currently have on your larger S series, the Class 8 and the Class 9 machines. As far as your aggressiveness, you can adjust that here with this lever. Obviously corn for your corn, less aggressive. The wheat symbol is going to be utilized for your tougher threshing soybeans, small grains, things like that. And just that, like on the S series machines, what this handle is doing is you're pretty well bringing a door closer to make that impact of the grain more aggressive one way or another.
Closing a concave, kind of that idea, right?
In a sense, that's what you're doing. Keep in mind though, if you forget to change that, when you go into corn and you are running returns through, you do run the risk of having some grain damage. So, and even that does come into case in some dry soybean conditions. So if you're seeing splits, things like that, it may not be in the rotor. It could be something in this portion of it as well. Clean out door on the bottom, just like what we have on our S series. Elevator tension, same as your clean grain on the other machine, and what we've been used to in the past as well. The drive system, belt system, tensioner here. The loss sensor, not the loss sensor, the volume sensors I should say, are very similar, the same as what we've had in the past as well.
And you got your camera down there too, right?
Correct. Your vision camera for your active vision, just like what we have on the returns, the clean grain elevator side. You want to make sure you open this up, clean that lens off, make sure that lens is clean. Close it back up. There's a seal around there. Make sure the seal's intact. Are some of the things that you need to look at on it. Open, clean out door down the bottom. Chain tension, we talked about that. Like Nick said on the clean grain elevator, you want it tight enough so you can have a little bit of a play in it, but not too tight so you're not causing excessive wear on all your sprockets.
So kind of to simplify, I would suggest for most growers in our area here in Nebraska, if you're not sure, just run it in corn. Corn's going to be the right setting for 80 to 90% of our conditions. It's only in special cases we might want to tighten that up. And then watching that chain tension. Those are the two main points to remember on this rethresher.
And how it's delivered into the sieves is similar to your S series as well. There's an auger that goes all the way underneath the rotors. Obviously on this machine it's a little bit wider than what we're going to have in the S series.
Yep. So not adding any additional load to what's going through the rotor,
no.
Not hurting the rotor capacity whatsoever. It's just reprocessing and putting it right back into the cleaning shoe.